Today we're at Six Flags Mexico and this is our 10-minute tour.
We booked the tickets online and no one wanted to get us in.
We had to go from one kiosk to the other kiosk. It's like nobody here has ever bought a ticket with a phone.
But at least he's greeting us.
Batman.
I am a Supergirl. Why so serious?
One thing I find really funny in this park is that everything is named after DC characters. So you've got Batman, Superman, Joker, Aquaman. And then you've just got one random ride that's called Boomerang. Like they couldn't think of any character from any DC film or comic book named Boomerang to base that on. Not one person from Suicide Squad or something like that, no. Just couldn't think of one. That might be my favourite roller coaster I've ever been on in my life.
I think so. Me too. Thumbs up.
You are in the wrong place.
You want to get one?
I hate these things. Oh, Captain America!
We just saw Flash and I screamed, "Oh, Captain America!" and Troy's laughing at me now, thinking that I'm stupid.
Because you are.
No, because it was just, I don't know, it was just like, oh, a person, I'm just gonna say
Everything
whatever.
here is DC and she's just named the one Marvel character that she knows.
And shoom!
I've never been on one of these rides where you get so wet. Normally they're just like a little kiddie, a bit of splashing or something, but this was like full on drowning inside the ride. You can see where I'm dry. Apparently, we came during their horror festival, so we've just upgraded our day tickets to evening tickets for all of the horror mazes and everything. We haven't got time to show everything that we're going to be doing today. Next week, we're going to release our special edition 5 minutes horror festival in Six Flags. That was our day in Six Flags, Mexico!
¡Arriba! ¡Arriba!